I will talk about lookup formulas in Excel. So we'll start from vertical lookup, vertical lookup. Okay. So for vertical lookup, we will go and check this table here. We have 4 people with their height, and each lookup with their height here as well. And over here, their age and height here as well. Okay, this one over here. Also the image height. Okay, so we have 4 tables here, 4 tables here. Based on this one, we can check, for example, starting from VLOOKUP. So we'll get a value, for example, whenever we look up, you're looking for this value. For example, that one is Steve. Okay, so that means that you have a list here, but this time I will use list, show Steve, John, Kathy, or Kevin using list. So I'll create a list here first. So go to data. You can see that data validation. I'll now use list. And I will put the source here from here to here and enter. And click OK. Now you can see that you can choose the list of people here. Okay, so based on that one, I want to show their height. Okay, so over here, so height should be here. Based on this data, for example, if it's Steve, it shows 180. If it's John, it shows 199. Okay, so using VLOOKUP, so VLOOKUP, after VLOOKUP, you will need to find the value, this one, and whenever you have it, your table array is from here to here, not including the title, anything, the actual data area. And we are looking for the output value, that is height. So that is vertically on the second column, so 2. And the range lookup will use false, because we are looking for exact same data, Steve, John, Kathy, or Kevin. So if you do that, not available, but if you change that one to Steve, now it shows 180. If you change that one to John or Kathy, that shows 167. Kevin, 167. John, 199. So this is how you get the value using vertical lookup, because this is a vertical column. Okay? And also, we are looking for the data, okay? Oh, that is actually the same thing here. Based on this data, we got this one too. So that means if you change that one to John, the data will be different. That one will be Kathy, will be different. That one Kevin, and that one Steve as well. So this is using HLOOKUP. So for that one, we are supposed to use Hatch lookup this time though. So to do that, this one is VLOOKUP. This one is HLOOKUP, okay, HLOOKUp. Oh, by the way, the reference table is this one. So this is the reference table. For VLOOKUP. That one is reference table. HLOOKUP. Okay, because that one is column, that one is row. Okay, that is okay. So that one over here, I'll just push that on left align first and change that one to same as this data. Okay. Okay. So we don't need it, but I just created the value here. Even that one, I don't need it here. Okay, so I can just clear contents. Or you can go to here, clear all. Okay, so that one we use the VLOOKUP. Now that one we will use HLOOKUP. Okay, from this. So to do that, so you need to have HLOOKUP. So you're looking for the data here, but where you find it, the data is here. So John, Kevin, Steve, Kathy, the data will be here. So you're looking for the data here, right? And after that, but that data doesn't change, so we'll change that on to absolute value, function F4. And after that, you're looking for the height, that is actually 1, 2, 3. So that is row 3. And you're looking for exact data. So that's why this is the one. And you can just copy and paste. Now we show Steve 180 and John 199, like so. But if you're looking for age, you can change that on to column number, row number 2, because the age is on the second. Then you can see that there is 17, that is age. And so it shows the ages of each person here. Okay, Kathy, 19, Kevin, 22, Steve, 34. Okay, that one. Okay, like so. Okay, so all good. This is how you get the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, and we are looking for XLOOKUP now. So for this one, so for any table you can use this. For example, over here, that is age, that is height. Okay, so that one, I can just format, copy and paste the format here like so. Okay, I'll just do this one like this. Okay, I'll just remove it. You are looking for age for John. So you're looking for XLOOKUP. You're looking for this data. But where you are looking for, so John should be here, right? That one is lookup array, So I mean, the input area. What is the output of John? So age is here. So you should choose only this one here. And that's it, not anything more. And you'll see 17. For the height, same story. equal X lookup. You're looking for John where? Here. That is the input data. And this one is output data, but that one is height. So only you're looking for this and this. Now you can see that John, 199 centimeter, and age 17. But if you change that one to Steve, you can see that that one is 34, 180. If we change that one to Kevin, it shows 22, 167. Kathy will show 19 and 167.